How to fix common iOS 18.2 issues and bugs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix common issues and bugs on iOS 18.2. So let us get started. So the first thing we'll do is we'll fix some common bugs and issues of our third-party apps. Now that will mainly occur because your apps are not updated. So what we'll do is head over to our App Store, tap on your profile picture on the top right and scroll down. Now after you scroll down, release, and after you release, you should find the updates available right here. Now if you find the updates for your third-party apps, make sure that you update them, and that's one fix. So after you've done that, we'll head over to our settings, and after you're on our settings, we'll simply head over to Apple Intelligence and Siri. So tap on it, and if you scroll down, you will see the extensions option. Tap on extensions, and right there, make sure that you turn on use ChatGPT. Now what this will do is it will enhance your Siri and it will automatically make your AI a lot better. Now that will also help you fix a lot of your AI related issues. So make sure that you do that. Now after doing that, we'll head over to the battery option. Now right here, tap on charging, and under charging, make sure that your optimized battery charging is turned on. Now you can ultimately use the optimized battery charging toggle button too, or you can simply use the slider. And after doing that, it will help you preserve your battery more. Now after doing that, those are the basic fixes. Now there has not been many issues and bugs related to iOS 18.2 yet, but if you face some more issues, make sure that you comment them on our video down below, and we'll be sure to fix them, and we'll be sure to post a video about them. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.